Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Karong si manahon na maugi-rating dawat sa atong mga grasya. Timing kayo na tubagon tinina pangutana. The answer is no, dili na siya pwede. It can be illegal or administratively actionable if the loan shark or credit collector harasses or demands payment from a teacher inside the classroom, especially if it is done through disruptive, threatening, and unauthorized manner. So what are the legal and administrative implications if this happens in your school? First, it may constitute criminal offenses. The teacher may complain for grave threats under Article 282 of the Revised Penal Code, especially if there's already threat or intimidation to compel or demand the teacher to pay. Second, unjust vexation under Article 287 when there is already persistent and annoying behavior of the creditor that causes distress of the teacher. And thirdly, alarm and scandal under Article 155 of the Revised Penal Code wherein it already disrupts the peace and order within the school premises. Second, administrative implication like violation for DepEd policy. We always remember that schools are considered zone of peace and learning. Any person or any unauthorized person musulod niya mo disrupt sa klase and learning sa mga bata, it can be a violation for the school security protocol. And in the part of the teacher, pwede siya makasuhan og administrative sanction labi na complicit siya sa pagpasulod sa creditor and to transact credit transaction within school hours because this is considered conduct prejudicial to the best interest under the civil service rules. Practical implication, wala man gay na priso tungod sa utang. Naagi na siya sa ato ang 1987 Constitution. But it does not mean to say creditors will harass and intimidate teachers para lang gid mabayran ang utang. There's a proper procedure ana niya. Pwede na sila mo file o collection sum of money sa korte. But unsa man gid ay wisdom ani niya? We teachers are professionals. Kung nangutang manggali ta, dapat mubayad gyud ta. Dili sad pwede na magpaugat ta, pagahi-gahi ta, or maglikay-likay ta sa ato ang giutangan. Kay tarong man ta nangutang. So ato asad siyang tarungon pag bayad. So I hope this video help us understand the consequences if this scenario happens in your classroom. If you want to see and learn more videos about educational law, please like, share, and follow for more updates. Thank you for watching and God bless.